Hello, I'm Emile Haddad, General Manager for Southeast Asia at Husky Technologies. We're excited to be at ProPak 2026, and we look forward to welcoming you all at our booth at the new venue at Impact. At Husky, we're committed to shaping a future that is safer, more affordable, and more sustainable. So this year, our booth will feature engagement zones and digital experiences across all our products and services, showcasing how we can help you grow and innovate while maintaining quality, lowest part cost, and recyclability. We will also be presenting for the first time our new closure manufacturing innovation, which is designed to deliver industry-leading productivity and economic value. So please join us at ProPak Asia, Hall C2, booth AF04 from June 10 to 13, and discover how Husky is shaping the future of packaging.